In this lecture, we will work on the sale process in Tally accounting software. Similarly, as we work for the purchase process in Tally, in the same way the sale process is similarly like a purchase process. Go to the transaction menu, go to accounting voucher. We will create sale order reference number, select sale order, escape, go to inventory voucher. Now click on from the right menu sale order, select party. You can see we have no customer for these. First of all, we will create customer. Go to ledger, go to accounts info, ledger, create, Linko, customer account, enter under sundry debitors or sundry debtors account, enter address of your customer company, enter. Now we are going to create sale process. Go to in transaction menu, go to inventory voucher, click on inventory voucher, then select, we already select sales order, select Linko customer account, address of your customer, term of payment, what mode of payment or term of payment you are going to give, you are giving to this customer. Suppose 210 net 30. Term of payments to 15 days. Destination order number 1. I think we have no sales, we haven't created sale account. It is necessary to create sale account before purchase. We must create sale account. For creation of sale account, go to accounts info, ledger, create sales account, under sales, enter. No, we are going to make up the sale process. In transaction menu, go to inventory voucher, select your customer, Linko, enter address, term of payment, suppose 210 net 30, term of delivery, suppose 10 to 15 days. Sales account, sell ledger account, items S3, quantity suppose 10. Our customer needed 10 quantity, enter. Sell price suppose 35,000, enter S4. Our customer also needed S4 mobile, quantity 10, rate 50,000, enter sell order for the above items, escape. Now after creation sale order, now go to accounting voucher in the same transaction menu, accounting voucher, click on accounting voucher, select from the right menu sales. Sales means invoice. Reference Sudesh /1. Linko customer account. Dispatch number, dispatch through, destination. Order number is very must. Without select of order number, the transaction will be lost. Select order number, enter term of delivery, address of your customer, enter sales account is must. The sales order item and quantity already came here in the sales. Enter, just enter, sales out of the above items. Now you can see we have stock. Go to reports menu, stock summary. You can see the quantity available with us. S3 and S4 we have both S3 and S4 quantity available with us, 10 and 10. From the display menu, click on daybook. We have sale account, also purchase, sale order and purchase order. Now you can see accounts payable and receivable from the report menu. Thank you so much. Next video you can see other process of accounting. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel that you can update for latest video.